So I've got here a O-rings kit. It has 1010 pieces and 22 different sizes, and this can be used like for a variety of use cases, like from automobiles to your house to faucets to pressure washers, basically anything that uses O-ring, rubber O-ring. So basically this provides a one-stop solution for all your maintenance. So let's check some of them out. Check some of them right here. So this is made from a high quality rubber material that's oil and heat resistant. So it can be used in like a car or a pressure washer, high pressure washer, high temperature. It can operate in high temperatures as well. It resists to oil erosion as well, so it prevents deformation and softening, like because of high temperatures. So they have high versatility. They can be widely used, like in cars, in faucet stopping, high pressure washer maintenance, pipe sealing, air or gas connection. So yeah, basically anything that needs a gasket, a rubber gasket like this. And what I also like is that you have this box that keeps them well and nice and not spread around. And on the box you have all the sizes and you have all the things that you need when you're looking for one of them, basically.